In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo seamlessly. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to enhance your current setup, integrating these platforms can significantly streamline your processes and improve your marketing efforts. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully integrated system that syncs your Shopify data with Klaviyo, allowing you to create targeted and effective email campaigns. To begin, let's head over to Klaviyo. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Integrations tab. This is where all of your potential platform connections live. By integrating Shopify with Klaviyo, you unlock the power to synchronize customer data, track sales performance, and automate email flows based on customer behavior. It's a crucial step for any e-commerce business looking to leverage the power of personalized marketing. Once you're in the Integrations section, you'll want to look for Shopify among the list of available integrations. If you have a lot of integrations, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Shopify. This search functionality is incredibly handy, especially if you plan to use multiple integrations in the future. Once you find Shopify, select it to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to re-authenticate with Shopify. This step is essential to ensure that your Shopify store can securely communicate with Klaviyo. Re-authenticating essentially means that you are confirming and granting permission for Klaviyo to access your Shopify store's data. This data includes customer information, order history, and browsing behavior, which are vital for creating personalized and targeted email campaigns. Click on the Re-authenticate with Shopify button. This will prompt a new window where you will need to log into your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify credentials carefully. Remember, these credentials are sensitive information, so it's important to keep them secure. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. If you are already logged into Shopify, this process may be even quicker, as Shopify will recognize your account and prompt you to confirm the integration. After completing the re-authentication process, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Shopify has been successfully integrated with Klaviyo. This means that your Shopify store is now seamlessly connected, and data will start syncing between the two platforms. This integration opens up a world of possibilities. You can now create email campaigns based on customer purchase behavior, send personalized product recommendations, and automate follow-up emails to engage your customers effectively. As a tip, once your integration is complete, take some time to explore Klaviyo's features. You can set up automated flows, such as welcome series for new subscribers or abandoned cart reminders, to capitalize on your newly integrated data. The insights you gain from the synced data can help you refine your marketing strategy and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Integrating Shopify with Klaviyo isn't just about connecting two platforms, it's about creating a unified system that enhances your marketing capabilities and helps you build stronger relationships with your customers. With this integration, you are well on your way to optimizing your email marketing efforts and driving more sales. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. This connection will empower you to leverage customer data like never before, making your marketing efforts more targeted and effective. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your e-commerce potential. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.